Come step into the heart of Hanoi, where ancient traditions merge with bustling urban life. Discover the sights, tastes, and culture that make this city a captivating blend of past and present. Welcome to the City of Chaos. We have officially left the Philippines and we are now in Vietnam. We got in late last night, about 2 a.m. and we didn't get to bed until 3 a.m. So we took some time waking up this morning. So let's just get our day started at the gym.
It's crazy out here.
Okay, we gotta cross.
Oh, we gotta cross. Oh, there's the North Face. Oh, we're gonna see so many good clothes and stuff.
Okay, unfortunately we made it to the coffee shop and they said they were way too full, and so we had passed the Starbucks on the way in, and so we just walked back to the Starbucks, which is not where I want to have my first meal, but a lot of the coffee shops don't have food here and we just are starving, so it's okay. First and last time at Starbucks here. Alright, gym and everything is done. We just got back to our room, changed our clothes, and now we're gonna go to the old quarter to do some shopping because Chase has literally no clothes and I want to buy a couple things here. And yeah, Vietnam, or Hanoi at least, is freaking crazy. It's chaos. We went from this chill, relaxed island vibe to straight city chaos. But it's a good switch up. I love it already, and it's not too hot. I mean, it's muggy, but let's go to the old quarter. Some good sandwiches. You ready?
Yeah.
So excited. Different flavoring than I thought it would have. That's good. How's yours?
Yeah.
Alright, we're at dinner. What do we got? Fried rice? Good?
Fried rice. First bite, pretty good.
Absolute chaos. Okay, so that was Beer Street, absolutely crazy. But we drank like every night in Siargao, so we're just gonna go home and not drink tonight, which is hard when it looks so fun, but we'll go out tomorrow night. It's Friday, tomorrow. I've been to a lot of places, and this is definitely the most chaotic, crazy place I've ever been in my life. Like, this is absolute chaos, but it's fun. Okay, we are eating at the Vietnamese Lantern restaurant, and it's so cool. We're on this balcony just overlooking Hanoi. Vibes are high. Okay, this looks delicious. I just got some fried rice because my stomach is not doing well, so that's a little easier. And a nice little stir fry. Oh, this is not sticky either. It's good, it's just gonna take me a while to eat.
What? Alright, I think we just walk and see if we get hit. Should I go for it or? Okay, get ready.
We'll go after this spot.
We did it.
Okay, we are on the walk to a tea house, which is super exciting because we didn't do that in Japan. So, let's go check it out. Taste test. It's good. It's a green tea. It's light. It's pretty good. I'm a sucker for a night market. We got some sunglasses, some overalls. I'll show you all them later. I would totally buy more, but I'm a broke backpacker, so.
You're not broke. You'll probably buy more tomorrow.
Well on my way to being broke.
We're making it there.
Did I get the? Okay, we're trying egg coffee for the first time. I'm scared it's gonna be hot. It's good, actually. I think maybe we should mix it, but
That was the weirdest face you've ever made.
it's good. It actually has a super creamy. Try it.
It's so thick. So good.
You have an egg mustache. Okay, we are at Train Street. It's so cool. How you feeling?
Good.
Ready? Okay, so it's currently 6:30. Wait, what time does the train come? Oh, it's currently 5:44 and the train comes in 15 minutes. So we're just drinking a beer. Just moments before the train comes, it's a mad dash to get to the other side of the tracks just before the train comes through. So I got my cab that the train ran over. So cool.